Hey guys, so it's been a while since I've put any video on YouTube really, and I thought it's time that I pick it back up. So I've basically been wanting to put together a series of videos to walk through Power Platform basics essentially, specifically around administration and some best practices around that, but I will dive into some of the technicals as well. But this video isn't for that. It's more so an introduction into what is the Power Platform. So to give you kind of the official summary, the Power Platform is Microsoft's low-code platform for building business solutions, and it's comprised of kind of several different technologies. The key ones being Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, Copilot Studio, and I guess you can probably consider Power BI to be in the mix in there somewhere. And the way that you can actually navigate to Power Apps is just go to the URL make.powerapps.com. We'll touch on the subjects of environments, solutions, and all of the details in and around that in later videos. But first and foremost, I just wanted to show you how to navigate the portal itself. So this is the landing page that you land to. You may arrive in a different environment called the default environment. For the time being, I've got a custom one. As I mentioned, that's something that I'll get to in later videos. But you can basically get through to everything through this portal. So you can view all the apps that you currently have within a tenant or an environment. You can view the AI hub along the left-hand navigation, and everything within the Power Platform is built on top of what's called Dataverse. So you can think of this as essentially a cloud-hosted database that contains a bunch of predefined tables as well as being able to create your own custom ones. You can also get to Power Automate or flows as they're sometimes referred to on the left-hand navigation. And if you need anything else, you can select this other section here under more. And there's too many things to get through in this initial video, but I just wanted to create a very brief introduction as to describe what the Power Platform is. It's basically cloud hosted, predominantly low code, and allows you to build business applications and automations that might make either your life as an individual or your team's life easier at work. So supporting you doing what might be primarily paper-based systems and putting them into the cloud. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this set of videos that I'm going to put together. I'm probably not going to edit them. They're primarily going to be one take. So apologies if things don't always run as smoothly, but we haven't all got time to sit here and edit things. But yeah, the final thing I wanted to touch on is if you want to view everything that you can do within the Power Platform, the best way you can do this is through the More and the Discover page. And that basically gives you an idea and an overview of everything that you can build within the Power Platform. And we will eventually run through all of this. But to start with, we'll probably run through the administration side of things rather than the technicals of individual applications and automations. So yeah, thank you for listening, and hopefully you can listen to my boring voice a little bit longer. And see you guys in the next one.